team. So I haven't posted for a while because unfortunately and regrettably and heartbreakingly my dad passed away, and I was gonna do a little kind of spill, you might say, on that, but haven't decided yet. So been in Lismore for a while, and coming back up to unfortunately say goodbye to my dad. It's a pretty tough one because myself and my siblings lost our mum when she was pretty young. So dad stepped up, and he was really that founding rock for quite a number of years. So it's a tough one, but it always is, this kind of scenario. So completely unexpected, and that makes it a bit tougher, I think. And also, it was he was a beautiful human. So the combination of all those things makes it a bit hard to bear, but we'll get there. Anyway, so stopped at Tweed River Seafoods, got some barra, some chips, and I'm just here now, pulled over on the side. As you can see, so on the way to an Airbnb at Tamborine, old stomping ground. Gonna stop at the Dragon, definitely get film of the Airbnb because I like doing that. That'd been awesome. So just got to the Airbnb. It's just outside of Canungra, or well, it's Tamborine, but yeah, in between Canungra and Tamborine. Anyway, that area, and absolutely gorgeous. And you'd actually give them a little bit more leeway because it was one of the cheapest, and everything is amazing, so they could actually charge more, but we won't say that. But yeah, so it's just off Beenleigh Badesett Road, I think it was, and it's called My Tiny Home, I think that's the name. Anyway, I'll flip it round because I've obviously driven it already, but I'll flip it around and walk down through to it, and you'll get the gist. It's sick.
too many Airbnbs with fire pits. How good's that? As you saw the tiny home as we walked past, so I'm going to flip around again and walk you through it. It's pretty freaking cool.
Bye.